pattern I'm going to do. The bottom part here, it's chain if you want to start with that, but I'm going to start on the red color, do on this. So I'm going to change color too. So let's continue. I am making another baby dress, same pattern as lesson 11. Yeah, lesson 11, free pattern. You just look at that, and then the bottom part I'm going to do a different pattern, but this time it's going to be full crochet. So this is the double crochet I did, this pattern one. Now it's here. Here all I didn't do finish yet. I need to do single crochets here to make it neat. So let's do this joining part. I always want to change color, I don't finish up. Make a knot first. Like that. Then go in here and put that in, and make sure you pull this, and I don't want to cut off the pink color thread, you know, so just put it the other side. And we crochet it this to hide it. This one just leave it, the pink one just leave it. So single chain first, and then single crochet on the same chain like that. Then chain, and it's going to be bigger, isn't it? So I'm going to the next one like that. So it's going to be more frills. Chain, next one. Maybe I will do 3 like that. There. So I did how many? 1, 2, 3. So the next one I just skip one, go to the next, and go again, do that. So it won't be so much frill. So it will spread out, more out like that. Like look like a bead, like an umbrella bead. Let's test out and see how is it. So 1, 2, 3 ready. So next one will be normal, skip, and then next one will be together. So I do 3. Nearer to the next, and the other one will be skip there like that. So it will be wider, the skirt part will be wider. I'm going to do the blue part now. Do 3 chain like that, and add 1. Then this is the cross way of new, something new for this channel, but it's old for me. I know how to do this. And a chain, I don't know what they call this name, I'll find out. and chain, cross, chain, cross, like that. But you have to skip one chain here when you're doing this. When you do a chain, then you skip here. Okay, now I'm going to change the color. When I'm going to change color, I don't finish it up. This one row line. So I just change it. Change the thread color. Hold this tight and do slip chain. Okay, and then do 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, like that. Then I'm going to do double crochet on this. This is the one. So there's a chain yet, so skip that. Go for this. There. Then 1 chain. Go back on this. Then do double crochet. The name of this cross is, I just found out, 2 cross DC with chain. Now we do chain, then double crochet. Do you see this 1, 2, 3? So you skip this one, you go for this, or you count 4 chain, like that. 1 chain, double crochet, go back to this part, go back how many? Go back 1, 2, there, and then there. So 1 chain, then count 1, 2, 3, 4. This way so you count, but I don't like counting, so I just look at it first. This, and now you do it. 1 chain, and go back 1, 2. There. So now go around until you reach here, and then I'll show you the next one. Now we're going to do the red. We come up, you do a chain, and then we do a single crochet. This plus sign is single crochet also. Chain, single crochet, chain, single crochet to this one, this part. Go around. I am changing. I come to this end already. There. And I'm going to slip chain and change the thread to white. And there. Now chain, single crochet, chain, single crochet. See that? Chain, skip this, go to the next chain. Chain, skip this, go to the next one. Like that. Go around until you reach here. Now we're going to do the green part. See this green part? If you're doing just a blanket system, you can follow this kind of design. But I'm doing a dress. So a dress is going to be slightly different. I'm going to slip chain and do all kind of different way to modify it. So it will be like that here, I don't want it to be straight, same here, two crosses here this side like that. I want something different, so it's like that. Let's try. So I did the slip chain, what like that. Okay, keep going like that. Now this one don't join yet, because when I do the chain, do like that, like this, and go here. It goes slowly, it will go here. I was thinking, no, it will go in front of the dress. You can see the line. So I want it to be back here. So when it goes to back here, I want to let go. I'm going to do it differently. Like this. Let go one also still, because I'm going to put the pink crochet the pink part thread there, see, pink, and I did a single crochet there, not yet, like this, half double crochet from here, half double crochet like that. Then take the pink, there, you got that. So now you can do the 3 chain like that going up, then you do the cross chain, cross here. I didn't go in properly. Okay, let's do the cross on there. Always the starting one is a bit hard. Okay, done. Next, same. Then 1, 2, 3, skip that on the third, or count 4. 4 chain. Same, do as long as you want for the baby dress. Always try to keep it to your armpit, that finishing part. Try. It doesn't look like it's having frills, but it's going bigger. Look at it, it's getting better. See, I changed colors. The only one color, because it's such a headache changing the colors. That's the dress. See, I did the hemming already. It's like a hemming. I did a single crochet here, single crochet chain, single crochet chain, so it's just easy. See there, and here is half double crochet, and here single crochet chain, single crochet chain. Let me skip the chain. Here I did all single crochet, no increase no nothing, just same only. So make the neck look like that. It goes V like that. So I'm going, that's why it will pull here. If it pulls, then it goes big, smaller here. So that's what I am doing here. Is half double crochet here. See the corner? Okay, leave it, let go. There should be 2. I thought there's 3 there. No, like that. Hook again, like that. Half double crochet, but not finish. And then I do it in this, and then go up here on the treble clef. Treble clef, double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, not finished. Now only you have to pull all in like that. So you have to do it in this corner also, this corner also. So I did here, so we go around up to there, and now 1 chain, do single crochet here, 1 chain, skip this, go to the next one like that. 1 chain, skip 1, and then go to the next like that, and go to the next, go around the sleeve neck, and that's it, will be finished. That's what I did for this. Same, yes, also this for this, but this one is all I did single crochet. Dress is done. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and share and like.